इसकी वैल्यू सिर्फ इतनी है आईएएस की कि मिडिल क्लास फिर फादर इज हैविंग 1,000 करोड़ 2,000 करोड़, फिर तो कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है तैयारी करने की। सर करते भी नहीं ऐसे लोग। आईएएस में कौन है सबसे ज्यादा? मिडिल क्लास। किसी भी कैपिटलिस्ट का बेटा कभी आईएएस की तैयारी वैयारी करने नहीं आएगा सर, आएगा ही नहीं, पॉसिबिलिटी ही नहीं है सर। मिडिल क्लास। आईएएस इज मेनली द फैसिनेशन ऑफ मिडिल क्लास, क्योंकि ये सबसे आसान तरीका है अपनी सोशल इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस को चेंज करने का। एक शॉट में आप हिंदुस्तान की जो रूलिंग क्लास है उसके साथ बैठने लगते हैं और वहीं से आपका समाज बदल जाता है। बस दिस इज द चार्म ऑफ सिविल सर्विस फ्रॉम एंशिएंट टाइम्स टिल टुडे। और कुछ इसका काम नहीं। लेकिन इतने मिडिल क्लास की संख्या ज्यादा है, इतने सारे लोग इसमें ट्राई करते हैं। बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं लोअर मिडिल क्लास, ईडब्ल्यूएस सेक्शन, उनके पास पैसा नहीं है कि वो दिल्ली आए, बड़ी बड़ी कोचिंगों को अफोर्ड कर सके। दे डोंट हैव मनी। तो आखिर देयर विल बी सम कोर फॉर्मूला टू क्रैक सिविल सर्विस। Prelims I have discussed in the previous discussion. Mains I have discussed in the previous discussion. Interview I have discussed in the previous discussions. There must be some core formula, core. कुछ तो होगा कि if we understand that formula, then our chance of getting selection will increase. But Ravan is immortal. उसे कोई नहीं मार सकता। कुछ तो होगा, कहीं तो नेवल होगी उसकी, वहां पे हिट करेंगे तो चांसेस विल इंक्रीज। अगेन लिसन माय लाइन व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, चांसेस विल इंक्रीज, योर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सिलेक्शन विल इंक्रीज। तो वो क्या है? नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग इज, मेजॉरिटी पीपल से द मोर यू स्टडी द मोर योर चांस ऑफ सिलेक्शन विल इंक्रीज। इट्स अ सूडो कॉन्सेप्ट। The more you study, the more your chance of selection will increase. It's a pseudo concept, completely pseudo, false concept. I have seen there are people who studied for 15 hours regularly. I have seen people. I have not listened from anyone. I have seen. I have a friend, Mr. Pandey. He's a Celtex inspector now in UP. He used to study for 15 hours every day. He used to take Ayurvedic balm and used to put that balm on these eyelids. And then the water used to start flowing from his eyes and used to wake up and study. He failed. He failed. I'll not take the name of anyone. It's always disappointing to take the name of someone. But I have seen many people. Then what is the requirement? Requirement is understanding. This is the requirement. And the important way to increase understanding is studying. This is the requirement. And the most important way, there are many ways. The most important way to increase understanding is studying. India is a country where people study to become servant. India is a country where people study to become a servant. Otherwise, those who will study, those who will have knowledge, they will become servant. The higher the knowledge you will have, the highest position you will have in the society. Knowledge is the biggest weapon. And Buddha used to enter into Patliputra, Ajat Shatru, Bimbasara, they used to stand up in front of him. This is the importance of studying. Now, majority people, they don't understand that how studying can increase understanding. Now, this is a very crucial thing I'm discussing. Majority people, they don't understand this relation. For them, you mug up the things. Mug up the things. You know all the facts. The more facts you know, the more knowledgeable you are. Then revision after revision, etc., etc. And mugging up is very easy. To connect and to understand is challenging and painful. It's a painful process. To connect and to understand is challenging and a painful process. It's a challenging and painful process. That is why, in spite of doing all the labor, majority people know the facts. They don't understand the things. And competition checks your, this is again a very big point. Competition checks your understanding, not knowledge. Competition checks your understanding. 90% people emphasize on studying. 5% they understand it and they work on it. And they easily get selected. And then these 95%, when they do the hard labor and they fail to open the door of civil service, then they have their own conclusions. Some say it's a matter of fate. Some say I was not made for it. The most study is not the requirement for competition. Never. All the toppers would have entered into competitions. All. Studying is not the requirement of competition. What is the requirement? Understanding. What is the most important way to increase understanding? Studying. But 95% people emphasize on understanding, studying. Simply they study throughout the day. They keep the books, they go on writing, they go on understanding, they go on underlining. They feel that they are studying. Now, books, the beautiful aspect, hope you understood this. Competition checks your understanding, not your studying. And only 5% people work on understanding.